This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to duplicate a list in Klaviyo. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign or organizing your contacts, duplicating a list can be a handy way to streamline your tasks and keep everything organized. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand menu. Look for the section titled Audience and click on Lists and Segments. This is where all your lists are housed, and it's your starting point for duplicating any list you choose. Once you're in the Lists and Segments section, take a moment to locate the specific static list you want to duplicate. Click on the name of this list, and it will open up to show you more options. Now, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of your screen. There, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Manage List. Click on it, and from the options presented, choose Export List to CSV. This step is crucial because exporting to a CSV file allows you to have a complete copy of your list, including any additional profile attributes you might want. On the export screen, you'll see options to export just the email addresses or to include more details like names and phone numbers. Think about what you need for your duplicated list. If you're only interested in email addresses, keep it simple. If you need more comprehensive data, select the additional attributes you'd like. Once you've made your choices, click Start Export. This will create a CSV file that you can download to your computer. Make sure to save this file in an easily accessible location so you can find it quickly in the next steps. Now that you've exported your list, it's time to create a new list where you'll import these contacts. Look again to the top right corner of your screen and click the blue button that says Create List Segment. When the options appear, select List. You'll then be prompted to name your new list. Choose something descriptive, like Main Newsletter List Copy, so you can easily identify it later. Once you've entered a name, click Create List. With your new list created, you'll see an empty list workspace. It's time to populate it with the contacts from your exported file. Click on the Upload Contacts button. If you don't see this button, you can alternatively go to Manage List and then Import Contacts. Now, take the CSV file you exported earlier and drag and drop it into the upload zone. This simple action will begin the process of importing all your selected contacts into the new list. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a list in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your contacts and keep your marketing efforts organized. Remember, duplicating lists can save you a lot of time, especially when working with large data sets. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources or tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy list managing.